I'm so excited that we get to spend time together this year. It means so much to me that we carve time out of our busy schedules and just be together.
I'm sorry, I thought I turned it off.
As I was saying, it means so much to me that we carve time out of our busy schedules to be together as a... Are you kidding me? As I was saying, to be together as a family. It just is so special. Are you serious? What's going on?
Oh, Pastor Greg just tweeted.
Can we please just turn off our electronics? I don't believe this. Well, go ahead, answer it.
Honey, I'm pretty sure that's your phone.
Oh. Is it too much to ask? I just want one Christmas memory. I want one meal as a family. I mean, just one special dinner. What?